Thank you. Yan. Super nice. So guys, we are walking here in this middle of this small mountain. And that's tired also. Very cute dog. This is 41.
Ah oui, oui, t'aimes bien, là. Tu veux une photo?
Oui, avec toi.
Tu veux une photo?
Oui, s'il te plaît. There's lots of people walking going up as our direction is going down. There's a lot of flowers. It's tiring. It's so tiring this cliff walking. Tired.
Lampa.
Lagi lang. It's nice.
Dangereux ici, si tu tombes, tu meurs.
Oui.
Parce qu'il n'y a pas d'arbre pour te rattraper.
We are walking in here. It's a cliff walk. Both sides of the mountain is beautiful. Do the cliff walk. We're in the middle of the cliff of this mountain.
C'est possible. Ailleurs, les gars, yeah.
I have, yeah.
It's a cliff walk. I'm tired. Guys, I'm going to show you where we start walking. From that yellow building, from yellow roof going here, and now we are here now. It's a lot of people walking. It's tiring also because it's sunny. And then we are going there in that direction. There.
Gosh, it was a hostile state we had before.
It's a bit like this.
Yeah.
Hostile. Linguistique. Got a couple on this, but no promises of quite well.
Same with me, I think, with the Let's look at Andrew, we're doing it in parallel.
So ayun guys, malapit na tayo, mga 1 oras or 1.5 hour. Tapos sasakay na tayo ng cable car papuntang baba. Super nice talaga yung view dito. Tapos yung view dito sa kabila maganda din. Kahit sa ang angle maganda yung view. So continue na tayo. Kahit malayo, go pa rin kasi maganda yung view. Doon pa rin lakaran natin. Lakarin pa natin doon sa yun. Doon sa dulo tapos bababa tapos sasakay na tayo ng telesiage. Puntang cable car papunta sa baba na naman. Ayan. Dito pa tayo sa cliff walking. Grabe ang taas ng at taas ng mountain tapos ang layo pa natin. Napagod na ako. Up again, no. Guys, I'm very tired here. We've been walking for more than 3 hours now. It's tiring. It's a lot of flowers.
Yeah, no, he's definitely. I was just saying, like, to break up the hill for us walking.
So, malapit na talaga tayo. Oh, guys, napagod na ako. Sobrang taas ng mountain na dito. Dito pa tayo sa cliff walking. Ayan. Yan ang sasakyan natin papunta sa baba. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Yan ang sasakyan natin sa baba. So finally, we are here. Yan ang sasakyan natin pababa, guys. Tapos papahinga na tayo, uwi na tayo. Only in Switzerland. Dito lang yan sa mountain ng Switzerland. Dito sa Stush. Stush. Daming flowers. Dandy flowers.
Non, on s'en tient.
C'est la conchute.
Ouais. Là, tu peux monter dans le prochain.
Après, les blancs, c'est la télé.
Guys, it's a robot machine to cut the grass. You know how to do it. Very noisy house.
Avec 6 ans, petits arbres.
Yun ang mga ingay na cow. Super nice.
The cows are there on top. It's funny. They're praying.
So guys, if you want to come here, the Stush is open every day from Monday to Saturday and Sunday, every day. No off, and the ticket is 58 per person. If you're adult, it's 58
For everything.
for everything. Going to the telesiege and then going to the cable car, the steepest cable car in the world, and it's found here in Stush, and it's very worth it because it's very beautiful mountain. What happened?
There's a stop.
Okay.
It's impressive. Huh? You're afraid.
Yeah,
You should not.
we are stopped now. What
You
happened?
have to stop and then suddenly green, green, green. It's funny.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa telesiege. Bababa na tayo. Ang ganda. Super nice.
From all the way back there.
Yeah. Doon tayo galing sa kabilang side, sa kabilang bundok. Ngayon pauwi na tayo.
Bundok.
Okay. Soon we arrive and then lakad na naman tayo sa baba para sa last part ng ating activity. Gusto turun-turun.
C'est une vibration. T'as vu, à la fin, il y avait des couillards à terre.
Oui.
Tu connais pas, non?
Non. Ayan. Malapit na tayo. So, yun.
Fatigué. Enlève tes pieds, mon chéri.
Ah, c'est pas encore cette
Bon. Tu peux prendre aussi pas la casquette.
So, andito na tayo. Tapos, bababa na naman tayo. Tapos, lalakad na naman tayo. And then, last one.
Tayo.
So, guys. Tingnan niyo yung wheels niya sa
Very big
taas.
wheel.
Ayan. So, this is the village of Stush. Just very small. Yan ang map ng mountain na to. Galing tayo sa Knapsack papunta dito sa Clingstock. Ang layo ng nilakad natin. Tapos nasa baba na tayo. Yan ang map ng Stush Mountain. Imagine guys, 4 na oras, more than 4 hours na nilakad natin. So there you go. You see it here now. That one guys is moving up and down. Just circle and then going under the mountain and then going down is very steep. Very beautiful view.
Sorry, we are that color.
That's the steepest cable car in the world. And we're right over there. Now we are down. It's like that. That's it, guys. It's done. So guys, we are going back home. We are done with our activity. So beautiful here.
It's like some people